Have you ever squeezed a lemon and then just tossed the peel away? If so, it's time to stop. Because today I'm going to show you how to turn lemon peels into a treasure trove of surprising uses around your home. I guarantee, once you finish watching, you'll be thanking me for helping you save a whole lot of money. Lemons are a familiar fruit, but they bring tremendous benefits for both health and beauty. What most people don't realize is that the part we usually throw away, the peel, is packed with powerful bioactive compounds. These natural components aren't just good for your health, they also have amazing everyday uses. From deodorizing and cleaning to aiding digestion and even enhancing your beauty routine, all of that can be done with this tiny outer layer. That's why tossing lemon peels is like throwing away a precious treasure right inside your home. To make the most of lemon peels, the first step is to peel them properly, quickly, cleanly, and without damaging the peel. First, use a knife to cut off both ends of the lemon. Then, grab a spoon with a thin edge. Gently slide the spoon between the peel and the white pith inside, separating the peel from the lemon flesh. Repeat this motion around the entire fruit. Next, make a single vertical cut along the lemon side and peel it apart. You'll easily separate the outer layer without pulling along the bitter white pith. This method is especially useful because it keeps the lemon peel intact without affecting the juicy flesh inside. And now, your lemon peel is ready to show off its amazing hidden powers. The first method is deodorizing the refrigerator, and it works incredibly well. Did you know that the fridge stores all kinds of food, raw ingredients, cooked meals, vegetables, and even leftovers? That's why it's so common for unpleasant odors to build up inside. If not dealt with promptly, these smells can cling to other foods, leading to poor hygiene and affecting the taste of your dishes. The solution is simple. Reuse lemon peels after squeezing out the juice or peeling them like I just showed you. Just cut the peel into halves or small pieces, place them on a small plate or in a container, then set them in a corner of the fridge. Lemon peels contain lots of natural essential oils that easily evaporate, helping absorb bad odors and freshen up the space inside. The gentle citrus scent not only makes you feel refreshed every time you open the fridge, but also helps limit the growth of odor-causing bacteria. You should replace the lemon peel every 3 to 5 days to make sure its deodorizing effect stays strong. This is a natural, chemical-free, cost-effective, and especially safe way to keep your fridge smelling fresh for the whole family. The next method is also quite effective, using lemon peels to remove fishy odors from fish and kitchen utensils. Preparing fish is a common kitchen task, but the lingering fishy smell on your hands, knives, and cutting boards afterward is something many people dislike. If you only wash with plain water or soap, the odor often stays with you all day, and it's really unpleasant. Instead of using strong chemical cleaners, I just make use of lemon peels. After preparing fish, I simply take the lemon peel I've already removed and rub it directly on my hands, on the knife, or on the cutting board. The essential oil in lemon peel contains volatile compounds that are very effective at eliminating fishy smells, while also bringing a light, pleasant scent to the kitchen. After rubbing thoroughly, I rinse everything again with clean water, and the fishy odor almost completely disappears. This method not only helps clean quickly, but also doesn't irritate the skin on my hands the way industrial dishwashing liquid often does. Besides, lemon also has mild antibacterial properties, which help clean the surface of the cutting board and the knife even better. Method 3. Cleaning and fading scratches on wooden furniture. A corner of the house you might not have paid attention to is the wooden furniture, like dining tables, cabinets, chairs. After being used for a while, they often get dusty, have sweat stains from hands, grease, or even small scratches. If you use strong chemical cleaners, they can easily damage the protective gloss layer or cause the wood to dry and crack. So from now on, no need to worry anymore. You just need to use lemon peel after squeezing the juice, and use the inner side that contains essential oil to gently rub it on the dirty wooden surface. The essential oil in lemon peel helps remove grease and dust, while also bringing a pleasant fragrance and not causing irritation. For light scratches, you can drip a few drops of lemon juice directly on the scratch, then use a soft cloth to wipe evenly. The natural acid in the lemon will brighten the wood, helping to blur minor scratches and restore a light shine to the surface. This is a simple method that doesn't require using any chemicals, yet it helps keep the wooden furniture in your house looking clean, shiny, and beautiful over time. Make sure to save it and give it a try. But the benefits of lemon peel don't stop there. It can also be turned into an extremely useful homemade cleaning solution that completely replaces those harmful chemical cleaners. Before making the cleaning solution, you need to carry out one very important step: cleaning the peels thoroughly to ensure safety when using. First, place the lemon peels into a large bowl, add clean water and a handful of coarse salt, then soak for about 5 to 10 minutes. While soaking, gently rub the lemon peels with your hands a few times to help remove the natural wax layer and any pesticide residues that may still be clinging to the surface. After that, you just need to rinse again once with clean water and let it drain. With this simple method, the lemon peels will become clean and safe to use for making a natural cleaning solution or for food preparation without worrying about health effects. After cleaning, you use a sharp knife to slice the lemon peels into thin pieces. Thanks to the natural essential oils, these lemon peel slices can be used for many purposes in the house in an effective and economical way. Then, put the lemon peels into a clean plastic bottle, only about half of the bottle. Do not fill too full, because we still need to leave space to support the gas generation process. Next, you add a small amount of baking soda to the bottle. Baking soda contains sodium bicarbonate and a small amount of sodium citrate, both of which are mildly alkaline substances that have the ability to clean grease and remove odors very well. Then, pour clean water into the bottle, but make sure not to fill it up, ideally only about 2/3 full, because during fermentation, the mixture will produce gas. If there's no space left, the gas may pop the cap or make the bottle swell and deform. Now close the lid and shake it a few times to let the ingredients mix well. Place the bottle in a cool place, away from direct sunlight, and leave it still for about 7 days so the mixture can ferment slowly. During fermentation, open the bottle once a day to release the gas. When opening, avoid putting your face near the bottle's mouth, as the smell can be strong due to the breakdown of natural essential oils. After 1 week, you'll notice that the soaking liquid from the lemon peels has turned slightly milky and off-white, with gas bubbles forming. Now all you need to do is strain the liquid into a spray bottle, and just like that, you have a bottle of natural cleaning solution that's both safe and budget-friendly. Once fermented, the lemon peel solution doesn't just have a pleasant scent, it also becomes a perfect alternative to commercial dishwashing liquids. Everyday dishes usually have oil and grease, which often requires using dish soap to clean. But if you're not careful about the type you choose, it can lead to problems like skin irritation, dry hands, or even concerns about residual chemicals left on the dishes after rinsing. Over time, these residues may negatively impact the digestive system and even increase the risk of developing cancer. Now, there's no need to worry every time I do the dishes. I simply spray this solution directly onto the surface I want to clean and wait about 3 to 5 minutes. Thanks to the natural essential oils in the lemon peel, combined with baking soda, grease stains are quickly softened and lifted away from the surface of the dishes with ease. Then I use a dish sponge to gently scrub the plates and bowls. Since this solution doesn't create foam, I can be sure it contains no soap or harmful surfactants. Finally, I just rinse everything with clean water. And that's it. The dishes come out sparkling clean, completely free of grease, and with a lovely shine. And it doesn't stop at dishes. This fermented lemon peel solution is also a powerful helper when it comes to removing greasy stains or colored marks from white clothing. When I cook, it's sometimes unavoidable that oil splashes or dipping sauces get on my clothes. But I don't worry, because I just spray this solution directly onto the stained area of the shirt. Then I leave it for about 10 minutes so that the naturally active ingredients in the lemon peel can take effect. Normally, for stains like these, I would have a really hard time dealing with them using regular washing, right? Thanks to the combination of citric acid and baking soda, the solution can lift grease stains without fading the fabric or damaging the fibers. After soaking, I just wash it as usual, and the grease stain disappears completely. No need to use any detergent or laundry powder. Isn't that great? So just with those lemon peels that we usually throw away, I've been able to create so many amazing uses for everyday life, from deodorizing, removing grease, brightening wooden furniture, to cleaning white clothes. If you find these little tips helpful, don't forget to share the video with your friends and family, so more people can learn about them and put them into practice. Please leave a comment below if you've ever tried this before, or if you have any other fun tricks using lemon peels. Tracy would really love to read them and chat with you. And don't forget to hit the like button and follow the channel so you won't miss out on more handy and simple life hacks that are incredibly useful in daily life. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.